Hey, my Level Up lovelies. It is Janet with Level Up with Janet E. I know I have been incognito over these past couple of months. My apologies, my Level Up lovelies, but I just want to let you know one thing and what I've been up to. So I have been actively working on my dissertation for my doctorate. So please send me good vibes, send me all your prayers, everything, in order to make sure that I not only make it through, but I make it through successfully and be able to graduate, which I'm looking to do, defend my thesis and graduate in the next few weeks before May. So once again, I'll be coming back with a good report in May. Praise God. All right. So, secondly, and most importantly, I just want to make sure that you continue to stay focused, as I am staying focused, that you continue to stay focused on whatever your journey is for 2023. So, don't go off target. Make sure that you're thinking the right things, praying the right things, meditating the right things, so that you go forward and do things right and act right. Don't let your character change. Don't let your purpose change just because your circumstances change. You are who God made you to be. All right, so I'm going to just leave you with Philippians 4:8, which is whatever so things are true, whatever so things are pure. I don't have it in front of me, but whatever so things are lovely, whatever so things are honest, think on these things. So once again, stay focused, stay praising Him and lifting yourself up. There's a lot of stuff that's going on right now that may not be uplifting, but if you continue to lift yourself up and know that you are a child of God and that He's got you, that's everything. All right? Mwah. I love you, my Level Up lovelies, and I will see you at the end of April, early May. My next update will be then, and we'll have a good report at that point. All right? All right. Stay blessed. See you soon.